Good morning, Jamaican shore fishing here at you guys. Yes, another adventure again. Yes, YouTubers, big up yourselves. Thank you for joining us again. And we actually on our way to Port Antonio today, people. Yeah, man, I think it's Port Antonio, Jada, or Annotto Bay? Annotto Bay, right? Yeah, Annotto Bay, people. That's where we go on that side. Heading up there on some work vibes still, but this decided say we'll just carry fishing equipment and see if we can pick up some footage for you guys in. It is a long journey, peoples. It's about 3-hour drive, 2 hours and 56 minutes drive to get into Annotto Bay from where I'm at on the island. So we're basically pushing out crossway the north coast, shooting up on the road. I'm actually driving now, me and my brethren up front, and you know, it's taking our time on going up the road still because we just passed a bad accident on the road and thing, and I just hope everybody made it through that accident because it did look horrible. But anyways, big up on yourself. Thank you for coming by again and watching us. And I want to yell up a few people. Big up yourself, Audrey. Thank you a lot. Big up yourself, Kerry. Yeah, you don't know. Love your cause. And I want to big up Greg. Big up yourself, Greg. Thank you for your continuous support, brother. He does logos and t-shirts and printing and stuff like that. Ever support me on building my logo. Thank you much, Greg. Big up yourself. A few viewers out there. Big up Caveman. Yeah, man. See you out there. Drop your comments all the time, and you know, big up Danny Boo. Yeah, man. Out there. You see it. Big up the rest of the Jamaican shore fishing crew. Anthony, Brian, Jamar, Arville. Big up yourself, Ricardo, Chris, Susie, Shara, Lisa, Reese. Big up yourself. Dean, big up yourself. And Gio, definitely big up yourself on Rio Bueno side. You see it? Enough love and respect, people. Up. We out there. Jamaican shore fishing here, people. We out here. We just got on the spot, people. We're trying to get you some good views today. Good vision. We're here in Annotto Bay, Portland. And yo, trust me, the water look good, people. We're about to match up a crime and see if we can pick up something for today and idea. You see? Big up on yourself. Stay tuned. Out there. Come on. We out here now, people. That's in Portland. They'll try string up right now. Got Patrick right here, so with me. Out to match up a crime. What? Striker! Let me see it. What? Which one? No, man, ladyfish. Nice catch. Jamaican shore fishing at you, people. We just come here and somebody just caught a fish. That's good. We're gonna be here all day with you guys. That's what's up. He swallow a hook? Eh? Okay. Show him now your box, man. Yo, I'm fry good enough. Yeah, man. We're out here in Port Antonio side, people, with your brethren Patrick. Tanya is up at the other side. Larry Jada is here. We're showing line. I'm a Browning friend right here, so just catch a white. And what's your name, Browning? Nikki, you're gonna be on my channel, Nikki. Nikki, just mash up something. Yes, Nikki. Yeah, man. We love when the females them fish. Nikki, we have a lot of.
Yo! He's up on the line, man. He's up on the one. Reel up. Reel up.
Patrick, look how much bait we have. Look one bait.
Yeah, no.
A lot of sprat.
Yeah, no.
You know if you use on rod, Patrick? Alright, I'll show you. Show you how you send out. How you hook? Alright, how you pin the hook, you see? How you pin the bait on this?
Bottom.
No man, you come so through it one time, see? And then you come so back through the bait again.
Oh.
In a middle of it.
Done.
So you pin it till one part I hook come up on this side. Alright? Not yet. Yes. Alright, ready? Alright, let's get this line out. Let me show you, Patrick. Watch. How it works like this, right? Find up drag, bring it out, 1 foot off the leader. Come back this way with your trigger. Going out. Oh. Yeah guys, my GoPro battery died on me and working with just the DJI. Set bait again. How will you use as bait? No. Eh? Shrimp if you want to spread on shrimp, no brother. You hear me?
Sweet up the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet up the water.
If you want one handful of sprat, brother, I catch some sprat with my cast. I cast it in this. I have to just go so one time and pick up fish like whoa. Yeah man, when I say it spread 12 feet wide, I'm just dropping in the water in one circle. I'm just going and pulling it with the rope. 26 feet of rope out there. You can't cast it right, that's not pick up fish right now, fish there. You there in that car? Yeah. 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 Yeah man, if you see the sprat them a run man, that music for catch the sprat them as bait. That's why I have them local fish here. So when I see school, I just throw in high school and just take up hundreds of them. Patrick no bad for my fishing, no Patrick no ramp with you, no man. You see how now you sit on your wait, the fish them must smell the bait from miles away.
Yes.
So it's when they know say they are so now, and then pirate just chum up the water now.
Yes.
So now they must start forward in that place like, yo, the smell sitting over there start going man. Lobster, shrimps, sprat. Yo, a seafood party are going over Annotto there so.
Alright.
You seen deep and run man.
2 times in dippy already.
Put local tension on the line, wind up local tension on the line.
No.
Eh? Eh?
Alright, in the funny now.
In the funny.
In the funny now, yes.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sorry, fish on. Fish on, people.
The funny now.
Fish on.
Yeah. The funny now, man.
Fish on.
The funny one.
Good fish on too. And look, good fish.
Yeah, man. The funny one come, man.
Fish on.
Funny one. Watch him. Watch him.
Glass nose. Whitening. See there? Look. You make a bone fish. Or lady fish. Eh? What?
Tada! Grab one.
Pull it. Yes, I. 2 in that box. Here, Patrick.
Yeah, man. Don't watch the one. In my trunk is too much.
Now I come in. Look here. Look here. We're making sure fishing people. We hit them already. Yeah, man. Touch him on the right way, man. Yes, I. Go on, man. Yes, I. Yes, I. Jamaican shore fishing people. Fish on. don't feel like in the pond. Take off the bait and gone. Oh, in the pond, yes?
The pond.
Hmm.
I want Jack.
Come here, baby boy. That's what's up. Tanya! Jamaican shore fishing. We out here. This is what's up. Mud, Portland side. Jamaican shore fishing. Out there, peoples.
You see anything?
Daddy's bleeding all over your stuff.
Let him bleed.
Oh, that blood.
Hey, he's breathing full of that steady man.
Yeah, man, and they well hungry, man.
Full of that man.
Oh, shit.
Wait.
I got more in my bag. I'm good. I'm good.
Again, God.
Me lose them regular, man.
Bill.
It dropped right outside edge. It's one green sitting, but me lose them regular. See, that's up.
Come on, you know the one.
Right, use something to get
Yo, you see why? When you go fishing, you have tools.
Oh, what I think see that?
Yes, alright.
Yeah,
Look on the bleeding.
Yeah, man.
You know this one in time, man.
Yes, I. On there. Inside. On inside. Inside. That's out, yo. No. Yeah, man. They eventually are coming up, boss. I tell you that, you know. Oh. I'm Jamaican shore fishing here again, people. Line them start pick up the foil again. I kind of try to turn off the camera and save look a memory card because we're so far out from home and the journey is so far to go home. So I don't want to done out the memory card. But I bring my laptop just in case people so I can offload all I video them off and freshen up the memory card back again. So that's it. So we out here, people.
Stand up. Where there? Alright, we're there at the Catholic church in Annotto, but
Teresa.
For the hospital. Just drive up that church and go on the back.
What? Big fish pan line. Big fish just touch line up well. So I go on a John shop here. See where the pan line. Fish on. You're making sure fishing. Fish on.
Fish on?
Fish on.
What?
Say the fish on.
You what? That look like a big too. That look like a big too.
You know, go over there and come out here, so. Where you go? Come out here, so. Where you are go? You know, go under there. Come to me, big boy.
Look like a big too, man. Yeah, man.
Ah,
Jack too, man.
you're making sure fishing, people. That's what's up.
Jack.
One shot killer.
Yeah.
That's what they call me, people. Yeah, man. Fish on, people. Fish on, guys. Yeah, man. Fish on. Fish on. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, peoples. Yeah, man. Another one bites the dust, people. Fish on. So what's up, fish? That's what's up. Yeah, man. We out here, you know, people, and we're not ramp with the thing today. Yeah, man. At you, hidden beauty. I told y'all to come with us. That's what's up. Get hit. Hold this. Fish on. Well, that's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, people. Fish on again. We're working today, people, so this is what's up. We're working. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Huh? Fish on, people. Jamaican shore fishing, people. Try not to let him go under this rock. Bring him up here, guys. He's traveling, guys. He's moving. Another one. Oh, Jamaican shore fishing, people. This is what it's all about, guys. Come on, guys. Woo! Yeah! Killer. Yeah, man. Strike two. Jano. Two of them people. Well turned up. You eat them? You want one? You can have one. Alright, cool. Huh? Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Two people. Jano, me hand them. Tell, look what me hand them. Yeah. Jaden, I'm making drop off back in the water here. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing. We just landed 2 soursop fish on 2 line, back to back, people. Look at that. We hot today. Yeah, man, out there. Yeah, man, YouTubers. We here. We are drinking a little juice. And we are chill with Rasta Bredgen. Bredgens and Bredgen and Bredgen and Bredgens. Big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing here, brother. Check out the channel here, Jenna. Check out the channel, Jamaican shore fishing. S-U-R-E shore. Alright, cool.
Yeah, man, I have the main part for that still.
Yes.
Yeah, alright,
Rasta, I forget your number before me left. Because for real, I have to come link you. You talk fishing, as a matter of fact, I'm not even hitch and waste time.
More just say, good say, I'm have to put on the say, good say, pull a beer line, you know. I'm serious. I'm coming and set out line, and I set out line, and I go straight up there.
Rasta, give me your number.
And I hand line me.